Let's solve this problem. 8 divided by 4 divided by 8 divided by 4. At first glance, many people get this wrong. They group the numbers and think of it as 8 divided by 4 and 8 divided by 4. So they calculate 8 divided by 4 equals 2, and the other 8 divided by 4 also equals 2. Now the expression becomes 2 divided by 2, which equals 1. So they confidently say the answer is 1, but this is wrong. Before we correct it, let's understand PEMDAS, so we don't make this mistake again. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division, and addition and subtraction. First, parentheses. These are always solved first. For example, 6 plus open bracket 4 times 2 close bracket. You solve inside the bracket first. 4 times 2 equals 8, then 6 plus 8 equals 14. Next, exponents. These mean repeated multiplication. For example, 3 squared plus 2. 3 squared means 3 times 3, which equals 9. Then 9 plus 2 equals 11. Now multiplication and division. These are done from left to right. For example, 8 divided by 2 times 4. You go from left to right. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, then 4 times 4 equals 16. Finally, addition and subtraction. These are also done from left to right. For example, 10 minus 3 plus 2. First 10 minus 3 equals 7, then 7 plus 2 equals 9. Now let's go back and solve the original problem correctly. 8 divided by 4 divided by 8 divided by 4. Start from the left. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Now we have 2 divided by 8 divided by 4. Again, go from left to right. 2 divided by 8 equals 1 over 4. Now we have 1 over 4 divided by 4. To divide by 4, we keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second number. So 1 over 4 divided by 4 becomes 1 over 4 times 1 over 4. Now multiply. 1 times 1 equals 1. 4 times 4 equals 16. So the correct answer is 1 over 16. And that's why the answer is not 1. If you enjoyed this and want more tricky math problems like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one.